Good morning, everyone. My name is Tenzin Chimi. Today I'm going to talk about Tibet. In Tibet, there is a big temple, and it is Holiness Dalai Lama's temple. And I am sad as well because Holiness the Dalai Lama can't live in that temple because the Chinese government don't let Holiness the Dalai Lama live in his own temple. That made me sad. And last time I saw a picture of Holiness the Dalai Lama's temple, and at the very top I saw a Chinese flag, not a Tibetan flag, and that made me sad as well. Now Holiness the Dalai Lama lives in India, and it's almost more than 50 years that he couldn't go back to his own temple, and that made me sad as well. And I think all of Tibetan people will be happy because if Holiness the Dalai Lama comes back to Tibet, and I think the Chinese people will be happy as well. And because Holiness the Dalai Lama goes around the world and he helps lots of people and he makes everybody happy and laugh. And that's why I think he should come back to Tibet. And I have a favor to ask, and the favor is, can you please help Tibet? Because me and all of the Tibetan people want Holiness the Dalai Lama to come back to Tibet. And everybody and every country, please help us. Thank you.